In this video, I will show you how to convert ZAR to USDT on Binance. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm here on Binance.com, and of course you want to make sure you're logged into your account first of all. Next, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, and if you hover over your wallet option, you're going to get a drop down box. From here, just go ahead and select the fiat and spot option. And that's going to take you across to a screen that looks like this. Now, if you actually scroll down a bit, and what you want to do is come to the search box down here. Into the search box, you just want to type ZAR, and you'll see that's going to come up here. And if you look to the far right in the action section, you want to click on to convert. So we're now ready to convert our ZAR to USDT. Now, if it's not showing up here like mine, just click onto the token down here. And you can choose USDT. So you just want to come and type that into the search box and select it from here. Now all you need to do is enter the amount that you want to convert, so you can just put that into here. So I'm going to go for 5 as an example, and then what you want to do is click the preview conversion box underneath. So you can see this is all going to come up with the information that you need. You can see it says your account has insufficient balance, please fund your account. So I can't do this at the moment because I've got no funds in my account. But you're going to see the conversion rate and also if there's any transaction fees. So for the sake of this, you can see there's no fee. And for 5 South African rands, we're going to get 0.2 US dollars. So what you can do is refresh your quote. But what will happen if you've got the funds available, you'll be able to go ahead and swap and convert the ZAR coin to USDT. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.